Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your VIVO X300 Ultra. First, if you're using USB-C headphones or an adapter for 3.5mm jack, clean the charging port because dust can block the connection. The charging port is at the bottom, so clean it up because if it's dirty, there will be no use of it. After that, restart the phone to refresh the entire system. Press the power button and volume up button, then swipe to restart. After the restart, test another pair of headphones to check if your headphones are broken instead of your phone. You can connect it to another phone or try another pair on the VIVO. As a last resort for wired headphones, update your software. Go to System Update and it will check for the latest version. I'm on the latest version, but if you're not, I recommend updating to avoid old glitches. For Bluetooth headphones, go into Bluetooth settings. Turn Bluetooth off and on. Forget and repair the headphones by pressing the arrow, clicking on Pair, and OK. Enter pairing mode on your headphones and they should appear and pair. Make sure to charge your headphones fully, as they won't connect if at 10% or 0. Avoid other devices like an iPhone trying to connect first, as they can steal the connection. As a last resort, update your software or go to System Management, click Reset, and erase all data to factory reset your phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one.